Best PC Cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a mid-tower ATX case designed for superior airflow, easy building, and clean aesthetics, making it ideal for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and first-time builders. It comes in a stylish white color and features a clean, minimalistic design that complements a variety of setups. One of the key highlights of the H7 Flow 2024 is its optimized airflow design, with high airflow front and top panels to maximize cooling efficiency. The case comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans to ensure excellent out-of-the-box cooling performance. Additionally, it supports bottom-mounted fans specifically for dedicated GPU cooling, which is perfect for users with powerful, heat-producing graphics cards. The H7 Flow offers extensive cooling support, with room for up to 7 fans and radiators up to 360mm for liquid cooling setups. It also provides generous clearance for large GPUs, CPU air coolers, and powerful PSUs, making it highly versatile for different types of builds. Cable management is made simple with a wide cable routing channel, Velcro straps, and ample tie-down points, allowing builders to achieve a clean, professional-looking system with minimal effort. The case also includes toolless features like a removable front panel, removable filters, and an easy-to-open side panel, streamlining the building and maintenance process. The H7 Flow 2024 supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards and offers modern front I/O options including USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB-C port, and a headphone/mic combo jack for quick and convenient access. In summary, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 mid-tower case is a premium, airflow-optimized, and user-friendly option that's perfect for high-performance gaming PCs, offering excellent cooling, smart cable management, and stylish design in a crisp white finish. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a highly innovative mid-tower ATX PC case designed with a fully modular architecture that makes building and customizing a PC easier and more flexible than ever. Delivered in a flat-pack design, the Qube 500 emphasizes a DIY-friendly experience, allowing users to assemble and personalize their case structure based on their needs. It comes in a sleek black finish and supports a wide range of components, including ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX, and even the ATX motherboards. A 120mm SF black rear fan is pre-installed to provide essential airflow, while the case has ample room for expanded cooling options, supporting up to 2 280mm radiators or multiple additional fans for optimal thermal performance. One of the standout features is its vertical GPU mounting support, allowing for stylish GPU presentation and improved cooling around the graphics card. The internal layout is designed to maximize space and accessibility, making it easy to install large GPUs, robust cooling systems, and multiple storage drives without feeling cramped. The fully modular panels and toolless design enable quick changes and upgrades. Panels can be added, removed, or repositioned based on the specific build style, encouraging creativity and personalization. The Qube 500 also includes convenient cable management options, helping users maintain a clean and organized interior. The case's modern I/O panel features include USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB-C port, and an audio combo jack, providing quick access for peripherals and devices. In summary, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a versatile, customizable mid-tower case perfect for builders who want creative freedom, support for high-end hardware, and a sleek modular setup. Its combination of flexible design, vertical GPU support, and strong cooling capability makes it a standout in its class. Number 3. InWin A3. The INWIN A3 Micro ATX IWCSA3 BLK1AM120S is a compact yet high-performance gaming chassis designed for users who want a stylish, space-saving build without compromising on features. Finished in sleek black, the A3 is crafted for Micro ATX, Mini ATX, and even full-size ATX power supplies, offering excellent versatility for compact gaming and workstation setups. One of the key features is the inclusion of a pre-installed ARGB fan, addressable RGB, which delivers vibrant lighting effects right out of the box. The lighting is easily customizable, allowing users to personalize the look of their system without needing additional hardware. Despite its small footprint, the A3 supports a variety of high-performance components. It offers clearance for high-end GPUs up to 340 mm in length, tower air coolers up to 162 mm in height, and radiators for liquid cooling up to 240 mm on the top panel. This makes it capable of handling powerful gaming or productivity hardware in a compact form factor. The chassis includes a clean and functional interior layout with ample airflow, helped by ventilated panels and the option to add extra fans for enhanced cooling performance. It also features thoughtful cable management options, making it easier to build a tidy and efficient system. Connectivity is modern and convenient, with the front I/O panel offering USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0 ports, and audio jacks, ensuring quick access for peripherals, storage devices, and headsets. In summary, the INWIN A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis delivers a balance of compact size, modern features, and stylish design. It's an excellent choice for gamers and builders who want a small yet powerful PC, complete with customizable RGB lighting, solid component compatibility, and efficient cooling potential. Number 4. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a stunning mid to full tower PC case that blends premium design with high-end performance features. It stands out for its sophisticated, furniture-inspired aesthetic, combining a charcoal black frame with a tempered glass side panel and real wood accents on the front, making it perfect for users who want their PC to look as beautiful as it performs. Designed to support ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, the North XL offers generous interior space, allowing it to house large GPUs, extensive water cooling setups, and high-end air coolers. It provides clearance for graphics cards up to 413 mm, CPU coolers up to 185 mm, and PSUs up to 250 mm, without a bottom fan installed. For cooling, the case comes with 3 high-quality 140 mm fans pre-installed, ensuring strong out-of-the-box airflow. It also supports radiators up to 420 mm in the front, 360 mm at the top, and 120 mm at the rear, making it an excellent platform for custom liquid cooling or powerful air setups. The tempered glass side panel lets you showcase your components, while ventilated top and bottom panels enhance airflow. Thoughtful cable management features such as wide routing channels, Velcro straps, and multiple tie-down points ensure clean and organized builds. Modern front I/O ports include USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and an audio combo jack, offering quick and easy access for peripherals and fast charging. In summary, the Fractal Design North XL combines elegant design, exceptional airflow, and extensive hardware compatibility. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want a large, powerful build inside a case that looks right at home in a living room or a stylish office. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow is a visually striking mid-tower ATX case designed for builders who want both style and performance. Finished in a clean, elegant white, snow color, this case features dual tempered glass panels on the front and side, providing a clear view of your internal components and custom lighting setups. It comes pre-installed with 3 120 mm ARGB fans, delivering vibrant, customizable RGB lighting effects and excellent airflow right out of the box. The case also offers support for up to a 360 mm radiator in the front, top, or side, giving users strong options for advanced liquid cooling setups. Internally, the View 270 Plus is spacious and well organized. It supports the ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, allowing flexibility for a wide range of builds. There's ample room for GPUs up to 420 mm long and CPU coolers up to 180 mm tall, making it suitable for high-end gaming rigs and workstation builds. Thermaltake designed the interior with excellent cable management features, helping to maintain a clean look despite the dual-glass display. The case also includes dust filters on the top, bottom, and front for easier maintenance and better long-term airflow. The front I/O panel is loaded with modern connectivity options, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and an audio jack, ensuring fast and easy device access. Backing the case is a 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users. In summary, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow offers a winning combination of stunning aesthetics, strong cooling support, and high-end component compatibility, making it an ideal choice for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and creators who want their system to perform and look outstanding.